Good morning. It's time for morning meeting. Let's get started. The more we get together, the more we get together, the happier we'll be. There's Natalie, Cecilia, and Christopher, and Cameron. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. There's Emiliano, and Israel, and Jacob, and Liam. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. There's Valentina and Steven and Jason and Arlen. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. There's Daniel, Santiago, and Abigail and Guadalupe. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. There's Samara and Shania and Rachel and Perla. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. There's Naisha Lee and Miss Mac and everybody. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. Okay, let's get started with our morning message. It says, good morning. Today is Monday. We have a math activity to do today. How was your weekend? Well, my weekend was good. We played a lot outside. It was really hot, I remember, actually. How was your weekend? I hope it was good, too. Let's get ready for our calendar. Let's do our songs. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. Then you turn around and sit down on the ground. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Good. All right, let's look at our calendar. It looks different. Today is a Monday, and if you notice up here, we have a new month. It is June. Happy June, everybody. June. So today is the first day. So we're on number 1. And the year is still 2020. So let's put it all together. Today is Monday, June 1st. That's what we can say when it's number 1. 2020. Okay. Let's talk about our school value. Problem solving, okay? And it's to find solutions to problems that you might have during the day. This week we're going to be talking about a problem with the whole Earth. Not just a problem you might have at home. It's solving a problem about the world. And we're going to talk about that in a little bit, okay? So wherever there's a problem, you need to think about how you can be fixing it, okay? Or else the problem's not going to go away. It takes a lot of effort. Okay, let's do some counting here. Let's take it easy today. Let's count to 100 by 10s, okay? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Good job. All right, now I want to talk about our sight words of the week. So the first one is a sight word that we've already done, but we just want to remember it. It's the word was. Like Miss Mac was sleepy this morning. I was very sleepy this morning. The next word, this is a crazy looking word, is the word could. Now remember, sight words you can't tap out. They don't follow the rules. This doesn't look like it should say those sounds, but it does. It says could. Like, could you please hand me some paper towel? Could you please come over here? Could. Okay. And the last one is little. Little. I was tired this morning, but now I'm only a little tired. Little. Okay. It's the opposite of big. So I'm going to read the words and then I want you to read the words. Okay. Was, could, little. Your turn. Good job. All right, like I told you, we're going to be talking about a problem right now. When we're learning about plants and the soil and things like that help plants grow, there's actually a problem that's happening that's not good for soil and getting all the plants to grow, and it's trash. Okay, so one thing, or actually there's 3 things that we're going to learn about this week that's going to help us with our trash problem. Okay, we're going to even learn about trash and how trash can ruin the soil and make it hard for plants to grow. Okay, so here are the 3 things, they all start with R, that we can do to help solve this problem. So one of them is something that you've probably heard before. It's called recycle. Okay, not all trash has to go in the trash barrel. There are some things that don't have to, and we're going to learn about that soon. We're going to learn about what we can recycle. So that's one of them, recycle. Okay, the next one is called reduce. Okay, reduce, that's a hard word, and we just learned some sight words. Reduce means making it so you don't have a lot. Okay, it's kind of like the word little. You only want a little. If you have a lot, you want to reduce so you have a little bit. So there are some things that we might use a lot of right now that's not helping the earth and it's not good for the plants. So we're going to reduce it. We're going to reduce. Okay. And the last word we're going to learn about this week is reuse. Now, if you know what the word use means, then maybe you know what reuse means. It's when you use something more than one time. Instead of throwing it away when you're done, we can learn about reusing things so there's not as much trash. Okay. So these are the 3 R words. We have reduce, reuse, recycle. Okay, we're going to read some books about that and do some activities this week. And one thing that I ask, and I talked to some people on Zoom on Friday, we're going to be doing a recycle, reduce, reuse project with these. This came from toilet paper. Now, some people might just throw it away, but we're going to use it. We're going to reuse it. And we're going to reduce our trash and recycle by turning it into something different. Okay, so you have your math activity and you're going to be learning about reduce, reuse, recycle. All right, have a great day.